In this Daylite video, we're going to be looking at importing data into Daylite from another data source. This is a basic introduction to it. We're going to look at contact data and how to import basic contact data in and make mapping profiles. So the learning outcomes for this video are preparing the file for importation, making the mapping profile inside Daylite, testing and refining the mapping profile, and going through the importing process into Daylite. So the first thing we've got here is to go in and actually open up our export file. So I'm going to jump into numbers here and open a CSV file that we have from our data source, and here we have a typical CSV file that's been come down from some other data source. So first thing we're going to do is go through and check the data in the CSV file and ensure that it's in the correct format to come in, and delete any fields or doing any tidying up of that data before we attempt to import that data into Daylite. So let's just go through here. Often makes good sense in the file here in numbers just to define this as a header row, so we'll freeze that header row so we can zoom in a little bit and actually see that as a header row. And okay, so going through this header row, we can just make sure our columns are correctly sorted so we can see things. Okay, we can go down and see rows that may or may not be causing problems. That's a process here of going through, and you can see this row here is going to cause some problems because it's got some misaligned data in it. So you're going to delete that row, and we're going to delete that row. Let's tidy this up, and there's another one here. So delete that row, and just keep going here and tidying this up.